I'm showing you French Packet Client for the latest version of Minecraft Bedrock Edition, so let's go ahead and check it out. I'm on their official GitHub page right over here where we can download it. It's going to be linked right down in the description below. To download this correctly, you want to go over to this green code button and then click on the download zip button. So now, as you can see in my downloads, I have the French Packet DLL file over here. It's worth mentioning that they also have their own official launcher, which is the packetlauncher.exe. You can find it in their Discord server, which I will link in the description of this video. I'll link it in my own Discord server as well. You get the idea. You can use this if you'd like. For right now, I'm just going to be keeping to use the legacy DLL method. So with this in our download, you want to go ahead and right click and then extract all of these just like so. You need to do it like this because the French Packet DLL relies on the assets folder. These are a bunch of things that it uses within the client itself. Right, nice. Now, because this is just a DLL file, we do still need an injector, and for that I have a Fate client injector over here. If you don't have this yet, you know where to get it. It's going to be linked, like, everywhere, I guess. With that being said, here I have the current latest version of Minecraft Bedrock Edition, so we can simply go ahead and select this DLL file from my downloads right over there, then click on the inject button, and here it is going to inject into Minecraft Bedrock Edition. Look at that, beautiful. So here we have just gone into a random world so I can show you a little bit about using this. But first off, if you do appreciate me showing you this, then make sure to subscribe, of course. And as I did say, I have my own Discord server too. Just look at the amount of other clients in here. If you want to check all those out, then make sure to join. It's linked in the description. Anyways, really the gist of using this is simply being able to press on the insert button on your keyboard to open up their clicked UI area. This contains everything that French Packet has to offer. If you don't have an insert key on your keyboard or you want to rebind that, you can simply open up the chat, type in .bind clicked UI and then any key you want, for example G, hit enter, and then you can now press on that key to open and close the clicked UI. As simple as that. This literally unlocks everything that the client has, all the utilities, for example, aimbot, kill aura. You get the idea, right? So we can click on these to turn them on, click on them once again to turn them off, and for all the ones with an arrow over there, we can right click on these for some customization menus, and as you can see, some of them have quite a lot of customization. I've also seen some decent configs floating around, so who knows, I might do a run on CubeCraft with this. But yeah, that's basically that. It's pretty easy to use. Go ahead and check it out for yourself, I suppose. There are a few more things. If you want to actually customize the client itself, you can do so in the customization menus for the clicked UI over there. The array list is going to be enabled by default, just these things on your screen over there. You can simply turn that off by clicking on that. For the rest, there are also chat commands. I mentioned the bind command earlier, but to view a full list of all the commands, we can simply type .help, and you're going to get that right there with descriptions of exactly what they do. And if you don't know how to use one of the commands, then just simply type it in the chat just like that. And okay, the usage is broken. I think it's only for the friend command. So .game. Wow, my spelling is off today, but there we go. This is what is supposed to happen. It's supposed to print the usage in the chat, just like that. Cool. So, with that all being yapped about, yes, I know that supposedly they updated way earlier, but I refrain from covering them for like two reasons. The first one is kind of copium. A lot of the utilities were broken. So, I mean, it was updated. I wish I could like make the quotation mark movement with my Minecraft hands, but I can't. I just did it like IRL, but of course you guys cannot see that. What am I even yapping about, bro? Oh my god. Okay, so they their utilities were all broken, right? Pretty simple. So A lot of them should work now. If you do encounter too many bugs, then maybe let us know how to fix those in the description if you're finding ways that you can hack it a little to make it work, or let the developer know and they can go ahead and release some new patches. If you're noticing bugs too, that it might be worth just revisiting the download in a day or two and getting a new DLL, or using their official launcher, which should automatically update that for you. And finally, I just sadly didn't have enough time. I've been saying that so often lately that my schedule has honestly been fucked, and well, that's finally over, guys, and that is also why you are low-key seeing this video right now. I finally have time again, and it's honestly amazing. I just wanted to say that. Thank you guys for hanging in there. You can definitely expect like 4 or 5 videos this week for sure. I look really forward to bringing those out to you guys. So for right now, thank you all ever so much for watching, and I do of course hope to see you again in the next one. Bye-bye.